Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn on how to set up, change or delete a PIN on your Windows 11 PC. Those days are gone when we used a password to secure our computers. Windows 11 and 10 now offer Hello PIN. If you want to sign into your Windows 11 machine with a secure PIN, personal identification number, instead of passwords, this Grow Up Windows article will guide you. If you don't want to log into your computer with a password, Windows 11 allows you to sign in to your PC with a PIN. The PIN is a recommended method by Microsoft, and also it is a fast and secure way to sign in to your Windows system. The PIN is a part of Windows Hello security that enables other sign-in options. One can use a picture password, PIN, fingerprint sensor, and even facial recognition to sign into Windows 11. If your computer does not allow you to sign in with a fingerprint, the most secure way to log in into Windows, if your PC equips with a fingerprint sensor, within this sign-in option, you can use Hello PIN for security and fast login. If you have generated a password to log into a Windows 11 PC using a Microsoft account, someone can steal it and use it on any other device. However, if you have generated a PIN, it is specific to the device on which you have created it. That means you can't sign into another computer with the same account using a PIN. This keeps your account secure, even if you connect your computer or laptop to the internet. How to configure Windows Hello PIN in Windows 11? Windows Hello PIN is a unique feature that allows you to sign into your PC with your PIN. Once you enable this PIN, you don't need to remember a complex password anymore. Microsoft itself recommends using a PIN to sign in to your PC. To set up and use a PIN, first, open the Settings app by pressing Windows + I keys on the keyboard. When the Settings window appears on your monitor, select the Accounts category on the left side. In the Account Settings pane, click the Sign-in Options tile. In the following window, click the PIN Windows Hello tile to expand it. After that, click the Setup button beside Use a PIN to sign into Windows, Apps, and Services. By default, Windows 11 allows entering the PIN as numbers. If you want to generate a more complex PIN, check the checkbox Include letters and symbol. In the following screen, enter a PIN and then confirm it by re-entering it. Then, hit the OK button. That's it. The next time you try to sign in to your Windows 11 computer, you need to enter the correct PIN. How to change sign-in PIN in Windows 11? To change the sign-in PIN in Windows 11, first, open Windows 11 Settings. To do that, use the Windows + I hotkey. Next, select the Accounts category on the left side. In the Account Settings pane, click the Sign-in Options option. After that, click the PIN Windows Hello tile to expand it. Under PIN Windows Hello, you will see two options, change your PIN and remove this sign-in option. If you want to change your current PIN, select the Change PIN button beside the Change Your PIN option. When a dialog box appears, input your current PIN inside the first text field that says PIN. After that, enter your new PIN inside the new PIN and Confirm PIN fields. If you wish to add letters and symbols to your PIN, check the box Include letters and symbols before applying a new PIN. Click on the OK button to save the changes. Next time you need to enter new PIN to log into your Windows machine. How to delete sign-in PIN in Windows 11? To remove or delete a sign-in PIN in Windows 11, first, open Windows 11 Settings. To do that, you can use the Windows + I shortcut keys. Then, select the Accounts option on the left side. Next, click Sign-in Options. After that, click the PIN Windows Hello tile to expand it. Under PIN Windows Hello, you will find two options, change your PIN and remove this sign-in option. If you want to remove the PIN from your user account, click the Remove button beside Remove this sign-in option. When you see a warning to confirm the action, click on the Remove button. To remove your PIN, you need to verify your identity by entering your account password. Input your account password inside the password field and click on the OK button to continue. Now, PIN will be deleted from your Windows 11 PC. To log in into your Windows machine, you'll need to enter the password that you have set. Bye. See you on next video.